In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import and edit custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account, then click on Create at the left panel. The next is click on the email drop-down button, then choose regular campaign. So start by adding an email name and press begin. So click on design email to open up your email builder. Then next in the left panel, switch from all templates to code your own. So here you'll have these three options on how you would like to import your custom URL. So you have an option to directly just paste your code, or you can also import your zip file containing your HTML code, or you can also import your HTML code from a URL. So just click on the apply button on your chosen method. And once you're done with coding, simply click on the continue button at the top right. You can always edit your code and design by pressing design email. Lastly, click on the preview dropdown at the top and check how your email looks on desktop and mobile. You can switch from desktop view to mobile view and also in inbox view. Also consider sending a test email. So to do that, click on the preview drop down once again and click on send a test email to confirm everything works. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!